Okay guys, so now I'll show you how to repair a Zippo lighter. This is an original Zippo lighter ACDC, very hard. And then okay, I'll just repair this, showing you. I bought this fuel from Zippo India, original USA, some flints, and then a wick as well. Always buy original stuff. Firstly, you take this one, Zippo, turn this upside the clip and take this out, and you need a screwdriver to open this. I need something to, so you need to take out this spring here. There should be a flint like this one. It should be here inside, but then I think it's gone because I haven't used this for so many years now. Take this out. The sponge, as you call it, and then this cotton here. Take all of it. Or you can leave the rest if it's too tight. Wow, the wick is still okay. Yeah, so this is the original wick. Make sure you keep it here. Insert it. Through this hole. And finally, with the help of this tiny tools, so it's here. The wick is here. See? It's like that. Okay. Just the right amount of height, and keep the wick here. Stuff it inside. Okay, now stuff back the cotton inside. This one. This one as well. And this one as well. After putting the cottons here, just make sure to put this again, the hard one. Turn this flint like that, then just like that. Okay, the flint here is the flint, very tiny one. Make sure you don't lose this one, and keep it inside. Okay, and then keep this, the spring, and make sure to tighten it. Okay, just open this and put some fluid, some fuel. This is the original Zippo flute. Take this out and put it here. Okay, that would be enough, I guess. Keep this tight, cover it, and let's see if this works or not. I hope it works. Keep it again here, and that. Close this clip. I think this will be a big one. Oh, now it's working. Flame is too big. If you want to adjust the flame, you have to cut this part. Cut it. Like I said, this thing shouldn't be too long. It should be just here up to the brim, so that the flame won't be too high. So that's about it, guys. That's how you repair Zippo with original Zippo parts. This is flints, 6 of them. You'll get 6 of flints, wick, and a fuel. Just that. All you need is an original Zippo. So the flame won't go off. Thank you, guys. That's about it. See you next time.